As you know, and everybody knows, the first here the respect is that everybody respect to the each others, then the we will get the success in our lives. So first of all, I will give you my warm welcome to all of you to have yourselves and keep listening to my channels and understandings the way and the methods by means of which you can get success. So here's the methods. We will start. Here's methods. Today's methods is how we will understand deeply. Deep listenings means that listening is another thing, hearing is another thing. What is the new and the new idea that coming in minds, and this person is telling that deep listenings. Deep listenings means that listenings is the that concept which I have listened one time. So it's a one visual and a graphical representations of the associated topics remain constant in our minds, and when anybody requires are required to miss wherever required to miss, we can use it and also as use it and also apply in a particular regions. This is said to be the deep listening. So deep listening requires terms associated with that and a story that makes visual effects can be stored in a long period of times, and as permanent, as a permanent point of view we can say it's. So it is said to be the visual effects. Visual effects. So these is said to be the deep listening. Deep listening, how does we understand a deep listening? Suppose that any person body listen everything and cannot store any parts and cannot say that. So what the real meaning of the statements that one person saying in their own words, and suppose that I have to say that one thing, we don't understand that what to do, what to say, what to have with that. Okay, so first how we will solve these listening problem, sorry, deep listening problem. So deep listening problems can be solved only the better concern. Everybody say that, as a concentrate yourselves. Everybody say that focus yourselves. Everybody say that always be attentive to your duties, and these are the different statements coming in our lives, but we doesn't know the real meanings of this statement, that why this person telling like this. Be concentrated, be the always be the focus on your onwards, and always have yourself in a complete saturated manner, so that you can listen whatever other person is telling you or understanding you. So understand and clear understand and have a focus on that points, that what's happening, and keep it in mind. And if it's required that you have to solve the associated problems with these listening skill, so you can solve it in those point of views, because you have listened carefully and you have understood the main things, what's going on there, and the associated problems. Then you will solve, then you will try and ask that, so which types of solutions you will find, because solutions have two or more than one solutions. Any problems have two or more than one solutions, because one solutions will be either positive, one solution negatives. If the either positives in the solution may be many types, and negative solutions may be many types. So many way which concept the other ones accept and the second other ones accept. So this interference between the both solutions has a great effects on the person. So which types of solutions first, and the second, that's if we will give the solution of these problems like this, and these problems for the that persons will be better for it, he will accept that solutions, or does not accept, or he has a minds and have a different minds, means that he has not completely full in emotions, that whatever the result will becomes, we will accept it, and so we will follow the instructions whatever given by the sultant. So these are the different types of the questions that generally originates our minds, and we can solve it by the deep listening. So deep listenings, focusing on that one subject is not necessary. actually deep listening is listening whatever the new and the new words and the technology will come, use it and keep it in minds by mnemonics process or whatever the process is available. But mnemonic process, I think that mnemonic process is a such process by means of this we can solve the any problems and keep the all the new and newly originated terms and technology in our minds and can have a better response. Okay, with these words I hope that you have understood whatever I want to say you, give you and treat you. Okay, thank you very much.